Hey, Olivia. Oh, look at that cute little face. Olivia is 4 months old. And look at those pretty little high heels. Oh my God. You are so cute. Hi, baby. Look at this beautiful little bindi on the forehead. It's a close-up of that little snout. Hi, baby. Hi. You are so adorable. Hi. I'm going to have to put you on Facebook. Yeah. Oh, you pretty little creature. So, I brought you some veggies. I brought you organic carrot and beet and cucumber juice. What are you saying, Olivia? Look at little tail wagging.
Olivia, look what we got. Oh my gosh, you were so happy. Check this out. I know, not for you, Teddy.
What you got? What you got? Oh, yay. You like that, Olivia? Those are all veggies and organic apple and organic beet. Oh, she's so cute.
What are you doing? Check, she's like picking it out, what she wants. She loves carrots.
Oh, yeah, there's some carrot tops. Wow, good girl, Olivia.